The Power Tower from Maurer Söhne is a high-profile attraction for any park or fair in the true meaning of the word. Passengers are whisked up to an awe-inspiring height of 200 feet in the air, where they can enjoy the best view of the fantastic panorama before experiencing the adrenaline-inducing thrill of the free fall. Those who want to brave the effects of gravity and are looking for a one-of-a-kind thrill will be very pleased with the Power Tower experience. A sophisticated and redundant safety system ensures the safety of riders, while the ring-like gondola with its 32 seats and shoulder harnesses allows for a very generous capacity of up to 1,350 riders per hour. Two powerful electro winches drive the lift of the wire rope suspended passenger gondola, and the PLC control system is programmed for 6 different rides, so that riders and spectators alike can enjoy many different and unexpected experiences with the Power Tower. Sudden changes of speed and direction, coupled with unexpected drops and bumps, are unique ride characteristics which provide a guaranteed rush for riders. Take, for example, the ride mode Yo-Yo. Here, the 32 riders are lifted speedily to the summit. The passenger gondola then free falls down to about the midpoint of the tower, only to be quickly launched immediately up to the top again. Then, the gondola free falls downward at a top speed of 32 miles per hour to the station. Other modes with unexpected intermediate stops, drops, lifts, and bumps are programmed to provide different levels of thrills and excitement to meet the needs of your park. The rides are soft but unexpected, recalling the familiar sensation of the classic falling nightmare we've all experienced, which makes the Maurer Tower an attraction for people of all ages. The 210-foot tower, with its 24-foot wide gondola speeding up and down, can be seen from afar and therefore makes an exciting, eye-catching attraction for any park. The tower is supported by 4 outriggers on a footprint of only 65 feet by 65 feet, with no deep foundations required. It can be installed in a park or taken for travel as well. The Power Tower from Maurer Söhne offers high-profile thrills in a minimum space, making it the perfect attraction for your park. Please contact Maurer Söhne in Munich, Germany for more information.